Hi, good evening, friends. This side Dr. Sanjeet Kumar Das. I'm the professor of marketing, Sri Balaji University, Pune. So today we are going to discuss a very primitive or fundamental topic, but it requires a lot of understanding in detail. That is about concepts in marketing, or we call orientation of business towards marketplace. So there are 5 concepts generally we discuss: production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and societal marketing concept. Coming to this, so before this, if you see the market condition, which starts from the inception, that is about barter system. That means exchange of a product with the other product of value, so that there is no monetary transaction. It is the transaction of goods or products between two or more individuals. Coming to this production concept, here the philosophy is, the orientation is, the marketer, they think that if they produce product which is affordable and in a mass scale, then definitely customer will appreciate and they will purchase. That is the orientation. Example, take the example of Amazon. Take the example of Vivo phone. You'll find everywhere the phone is there and it is affordable. The next orientation is product concept. Here the philosophy of the marketer is, if they produce quality product, then automatically the customer will come and buy it. Like take the example of Apple. The quality is very good, the product is very good, the customer will come and buy. But at the same time, the marketer should not be myopic. That means they should not be short-sighted to see the business in a long run. Next comes selling concept. Selling concept, the philosophy is, you produce and by hook or crook you have to sell the product through promotion, through sales promotion. Like insurance has to be sold and lot of other products. Then coming to this marketing concept. Marketing concept, in a very crispy way, it can be defined that identifying the customer need and satisfying the customer need profitably, or as recently defined by Professor Philip Kotler, that CCDVTP. That means creating, communicating, delivering value to the target with a profit. So now, what is the difference between selling and marketing concepts or orientation? So this can be differentiated on 4 pillars. The pillars will be like the starting point, the focus, the means, and the end. In case of selling, the starting point is factory. In case of marketing, the starting point is target market, for whom we are going to produce the product. In case of selling, the focus is on the existing product. But in case of marketing orientation, the focus is on customer need. So starting point, focus, means and end. End anyway, in both the cases, in selling and marketing, profit. But in case of selling concept, the end is profit through sales volume. But in case of marketing concept, the end is profit through customer satisfaction. So then comes to means, or how the marketer is going to achieve. In case of selling, through sales promotion, by hook or crook they want to sell. But in marketing, it has to be achieved through integrated marketing. What is that integrated marketing? It is a combination of internal marketing, that is between marketer and the employee. Then external marketing, that is marketing between the company and the customer. And the third one is interactive marketing, that is between employee and the customer. So putting all these three, internal marketing, external marketing and interactive marketing, we call that as integrated marketing. So in this way, these 4 points, we can differentiate marketing and selling as a concept or orientation of business. And finally, it is about societal marketing concept. Societal marketing concept is something beyond marketing concept. That means, in marketing concept, the objective is customer satisfaction by identifying the customer need. But societal marketing concept is one step beyond marketing concept. That means there are two objectives. One is customer satisfaction, at the same time the societal well-being. That means the marketer has to see the customer satisfaction, but at the same time it should not hamper the society, and there should be very minimal detrimental effect towards the society. The perfect example, you can say, the Tesla car, that is battery electric vehicle. Why we call it as societal marketing concept? Because here the customer satisfaction is there, but at the same time it run by the battery, so it will harm less to the environment and to the ozone layer. So that is about societal marketing concept. But there is no hard and fast rule that the marketer should orient in a particular way, but it is dependent on the demand and supply and the market situation. Based on that, the marketer has to take a call that what concept or what kind of orientation he has to orient his business, so that he will earn the profit and at least achieve the objective. So I hope this will help you in better understanding of the concepts. Thank you very much.